If Demarco was outside that door right now and came inside, what would you say to Demarco right now?
6 mil for wire fully badass thing. I run here. We don't need glasses to that.
Foota Hype and Kyodi got the shot them too.
No boy, I feel like them can size up with Demarco. You hear that? Go inside, man. So right now, enough of them have to go, like, put some respect for my name right now, you see? Because we do it now. We can't sleep now, at my time now, at this time moment. Foota Hype now. Oh, me and stop connect.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, the pull-up edition. But listen, you see this guest we have in the building today, live in the studio? This is actually his third time here. This is actually the only artist that we've had on the podcast 3 times, and we're in the middle of war, in the war season right now. You know, we have in the building today, we have Fully Bad in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Fully.
Yeah.
Up in I call, you know.
You understand?
That is it, father.
Welcome back to Toronto, big boss.
Yeah. It's a great feeling, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I don't know Toronto, our place, though.
Yeah.
Oh, there again.
How's the city treating you right now? Have you been around, looked around? What's going on with you in the city right now?
You know, last night I dropped in a place till I see it. Yeah, I'm not really jump out to that yet, but I don't know. I'm going to go shopping today and thing and grab some mad thing and, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the vibe. The place just look a bit too cold, you know?
It's November. You're lucky you didn't drop in December or January. You think it's cool now?
True that.
You didn't experience snow yet up here, yeah?
Yeah, man. Last year.
Snow?
Yeah.
Oh, so you know what's going on.
Even to them I drive, I see it afar, look of it, you know?
Yeah. It's good. Listen, as I said, you've been here. This is actually your third time here. We done the intro, where you're coming from, what you're doing. But one of the great things was last time you were here, you had told Leng and Heavy D, leg of the bad God.
That is it.
You see me?
And you see it a going right now, though. Because I have a thing named believe, you know. Once you believe, nothing can go around that, you see, pray. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So that to do, believe. You see it, and right now, we have the headline of his thing.
War is in the air. You know what I mean? Just so let's just jump right into it, all right? Couple weeks ago, I seen Demarco make a post say, yo, war time now. Why did you decide to pick her up and say, all right, let's go?
Well, you know, before Demarco make the post, me make a post first. I say 90% of dancehall afraid of me. Next 10% of my friend them, I see pray. Yeah, so right after, he make back a post similar to my post. So everybody call my post I make go viral, you know. Him see it. So be a man feel away. You see me? So I him stay so I make back a post now. I say alright, like how me eat it at the moment and everybody attack me and I post. I just drop a freestyle and say, what go up, man? Yeah, me see Shubab so we just do the right thing and nice up dancehall because them long for this though.
And you see the thing with it, your first one right out the gate had visuals to go with it.
Yeah.
So how did you even decide to come up with the diss track and visuals same time?
Well, you know, as a young youth I was with a giant, him fully established already. You see, pray? Me establishing but them need to know more. So that's why I'm not just a job. There we give them visual, something more them can watch and entertain, you see me? Yeah, so that's why I give them visual and me not sleep. You see it? Because if you notice now war, me take a little bit longer for job my song because a visual me a job, you see it? Yeah, so as me done record, then I still the song I mix. Big up Father Core because I'm a the right thing, you see it? Yeah, but this thing right now, I'm a make over rhythm them. Him a mix, him a shot the video them, everything. So me I show you say yo, we just there and watch him a do him thing and a song done mix, video a shot. You see, no sleep. You see, bro?
Yeah. One time.
You
know what I mean? To me, what really kicked off the war was the line where he said,
we are on the place you abandon, and I fuck your baby mother to your girl son.
You see, that line there, to me, that was the line that everything.
That line that dry him out. I feel so too. You see it, cause that song then now, I just them there I say, yo, no find a rhythm. You see, Perry? And I just start freestyle and I say, yo, this body, you know. I will just do a video and post it and it go viral. You see, Perry? Right, I when I see Demarco and so I say, yeah, man, a time now. Cause a giant, you know. No boy feel like them can size up with Demarco. You hear that? Go inside, man.
We're gonna trust me. We're gonna get to that part there just now. You understand? Because there's more stuff in the war that's going on that happened in the last week or two. But even now, your second song was David Murder Goliath.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so now what was the thinking behind that one there? Because I call that round 2.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Because you don't know through me a juvenile and my elder and I think you see it. When I giant them you see pre. Yes, enough people that out the thing certain way I say yo. Like when it just a kick off, you see it pre. I say yo, no, this a look at you that can't manage a giant, you see it pre. So me I show them say I want to know forget say yo a David Murder Goliath. You see it? So I saw come and touch the topic there. I say I want Tony juvenile can step up on the giant wicked and we do it, you see me? Yeah, so that will show them down.
Did you, even before everything started, did you really expect Demarco to really answer you back the first song that you put out?
Well, I'm surprised, you know.
Yeah.
When I go around here, when I see him answer, I'm surprised. Because I remember, as I tell you, he's a giant. You see, pray. But even know dancehall, you see it. Because enough of them afraid for answer, you see it. Some know say I'm a real artist. You see me? And him know the code. So I have to big him up on that. You see it? Because years me I shoot off enough of them would even depend on the Demarco level. You see me and them now and say them I run them a draw level card.
Yeah.
You see it? So see there's a man that were bigger than most of them. We're concrete in our game certain way. I war with the bad God. You see me? So right now enough of them have to go like put some respect for my name right now. You see it? Because we do it down.
Yeah.
100%.
Fully. Round 3 now was Demarco versus child abuse. Okay? So then now, again, remember, this is the third visual, third song. So what was happening in your mind now? Where you said, okay, this is how I'm going to really attack Demarco now?
Yeah, me get, like your sister, me get darker. You see it? Because hear what? Him get some info. You see, pray. So he get some info now and chat it in him song. So me say, me get dark for him. Because I see info them and get some wrong info. You see it? Some wrong info him get. So me I say, how you get your info? Remember Dolly body rest still in your shit got a you see it? So, me is a war master, you know. You see it? I sit down and premeditate. Like, I listen to everything what you say. And I not go drop no idiot song. I know say your song better than my song. No, I'm not going to drop my song. You see it? I'm a bad artist. You see it, bro? And I even that warrior, I know say, me long time I know me one of the wickedest thing. You see it, bro? Long time I know that. But you see another warrior, I'm prove myself to. Same way. Because a long time I want war. I exercise the brain. You see me?
And at such a rapid pace, because remember, sometimes it's not even 24 hours are passing by. And visual and song at
ready. That you call work, you see it. Why you feel, alright, I see some man but in a war, jump, wipe on that, jump in a war, you see pray, yeah, and flap out the war, certain way, you see pray. Reason why I said that, them can't write song, them not ready, you see pray. And oh, I know that them take too long for reply. That means that them a go around this and beg 2 lyrics and go around this and beg 2 lyrics and go up this I'll we up this. You see, free, I beg 2 lyrics. I fit it together. I said them I make a song, but it's not a song. It's a prank. You see, free?
Yeah.
So watch ya. Me a bad artist. Me exercise my brain every day. Lyrics dead my father. God kill me. Me exercise my brain every day. You see it? You can't go around me. Because my name fully bad for a reason. You see it, bro? Yeah, man. The chain for war, man, my God, man.
Yeah, but a lot of people, if you see right now, because you're really getting the highlight now,
Yeah.
is where a lot of people are really seeing, okay, yeah, you do this, but remember, your one of your big things was the Unruly Clash. That's where a lot of people, the foundation fully bad fans, know you from there, so then they
True.
know that this isn't nothing new that you
Yeah,
do.
they know I code already,
Yeah.
you see it. Yeah, man, cap. Clash friends, they build me, 13 artists one night. Oh, God, man.
Yeah.
Never see that no upon earth yet. For music invent. You see, bro?
Yeah.
Never see that no it. Somebody killed 13 artists one night.
And your trigger fingers been itching from that, and there's
Yeah,
never
say
been
it
a
a
real
jump
back and
from
forth.
forward, it just a jump so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Ready for them, man. Stick.
One time. And have you ever really got into another back and forth before with another artist, or this is the first time that it's really been, here it is right now?
Well, last year, Savage. Yeah.
Yes.
Last year, Savage, but the reason why, alright, because I'm a Hot Frass. He man take on, and me a take on the whole of them. The whole, Masicka Rhyme, Sean Storm, and the whole of them. Gage, you get touch up now and I sang them too. You see it? Yeah, so it never too go nowhere still, you see it? I don't know why, but it never too. But some shots fired, you know? Yeah.
Because talking about Gage, if I remember good, you had out a song 14,
Yeah,
and that's the one. This came out right before the war,
before the war, yeah, man.
and you were disengaging that song.
From this, steam start kick up, you know? Yeah, the fire light, that's so. And we are throw 1 and 2 stick in it, and it does take time, I blaze up till somebody get burned. You see it? Yeah.
Yeah. And then the fourth song in the war now was Albert.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Versus Fully Funeral.
One of my favorite, you know.
That's one of your
Albert.
favorite. Talk to me about Albert.
Yeah. All right, that's that song there now. We sang him drop again. Fully Funeral.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, I say I'm going to funeral so soon. And it's like one funeral that, you see, pray. Because I tell them, say, yo, all that casket, they're too small. Them going to need an extra big one for him.
Yeah.
Because him a going at that, you know. You see it? Yeah. So you see Albert now. That song that, like when I listen to him song, I say, a youth and I learn, you know, you see it. You know, say Albert, I go start calling. You see it? Albert. I'm just start listening to song. Because them say, yo, I'm not doing a whole heap of counteraction. So I just counteract everything what him say. I show them. Because I don't like say we don't want to do no counteraction, but I shake out the war too much one at a time. You see it? Yeah. So I do Albert now. I just Albert, you see it? Because I know Albert, you know, I say Albert, I'm going to start calling him now, because you know, say, boy, if you have Albert, though. You see it? So that song then now, I just start freestyle and smoke my weed and, you know, drink my rum, because I love rum. When I go make song, I rum, I love drink.
When you make dopey. Yeah.
Rum, you know, dash look up on the ground too. You know them way there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I send things spirit, man. I say, yeah, man. You know? So,
What was your favorite line in Albert?
you know, Albert,
Yeah.
really what I was saying?
Yeah.
All care do no say not a chick out no nah slam. She clap bring up every pussy where your ass now.
Because me as an artist, I don't drop no song and then have some wordplay and some sick with them. I say, yo, that youth are tough.
Yeah.
I saw me stay, you see me?
Sometimes you have to go back 2-3 times to really catch that one there. It's like, do you hear what he just said,
Yeah,
boss?
man. Yeah, man. Can't do no say not a chigga them nah slam. You see it? So I can't do no say you never touch it yet. You never do that yet. Lord, that's something there. You see it? Yeah.
What song was it where you're saying Digicel is the only street cred that they have?
Oh, that I last song my job. Last song my job.
Okay, so then there's one more before that. That's the Demarco funeral.
Yeah, Demarco burial.
Yes, okay, but you see that one there, he still didn't put out a answer to that song there yet.
Yeah, you know why? Him nah nothing more else to tell me.
You think so?
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
What am I gonna tell me, sir?
In war, you'd be surprised what your opponent could
Yeah.
dig up and find and tell you.
That I true still, but I just feel like him now nothing more to tell me. You see it? Cause you look in for them where them in for the rank. Him now get no good info for me. Cause in a war you have to dig up some info for you touch them, you know.
Intel. That's what it's
Yeah.
called. You have to dig up the intel.
You can get my baby mother name. Yeah, wild.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you feel right now that okay, you guys did 4 songs where it's back and forth, and then you dropped the Demarco Burial,
Yeah.
and then you dropped one more after that. But you see that one there you dropped now. This is the one where now Foota Hype and Kyodi
Yeah.
got the shot them too.
Yeah.
All right? Talk to me about that, and then now how all of them really came and dropped into the war now.
Well, you see, means I humble you to know, you see it. You get what me I say? I'm forward from Uptown. Foota Hype forward from Uptown. Kyodi forward from Uptown. But you see, in Uptown, and me are the godfather. You see it? Like, them artists that we are forward out to, you see, all of them are boss and I do it. And me show them, say them can't do it. After Gully God, because Gully God them do it, but enough of them not to follow God footsteps certain way. Until them
for-
see a juvenile like me, show about.
The new generation, you're the one that really
Yeah.
output the Uptown as a new generation.
As a new generation, you see it? Yeah, so the whole of them see me I do it and like it and want to do it too. So I saw Kyodi get involved in the music. And me, I feel show him how it go. You see it? Him couldn't ride with him couldn't make song and them thing there, you see it? So, me and them that connect and we are roll and me I give them the energy, you see me? Foota Hype never like Kyodi. Yeah. Nobody know yet Kyodi like Foota Hype. You see it? Because them sister them a try size him up against me one at a time. So I be a bun them bun him, you see it? So but then you know me I look at me and say, yo life fucked up here. If you say you have Foota Hype and manage him thing you know. I even turn the dog against me for this me. And me and the dog good as me I tell you, I'm a G like that.
Yeah.
I one big yard, one cassava piece. If I connect, you see, pray. Fright, me see dog I this me up in a song and I say, Rayan. But, you have a thing named bad mind, you see me? You can't catch a disease. So you end up catch it from a Foota Hype, them because them corrupt. Real corrupt. Biggest corruption in the music.
Where in your career was it when you and Foota Hype linked?
Clash Wednesday, after the Unruly Clash. After the Unruly Clash. After the Unruly Clash, yeah. When my out I clash and me and Popcorn them a connect, but them now do nothing for me. They run there long, like me just dead and nothing now go on, you see it? Foota Hype have a brother and me and him usually roll. So I him Foota Hype call and say we fully there. You see it, pray? And your dog I say fully there foot. You see it? So your dog I say, yo, no link up around a Beenie Man studio. You see it, pray? I'm growing a Beenie Man studio. A long time I get old long, you know. Years. For me entire game them a fight me, because when you're bad, you're just bad. You see it, pray? So I'm growing a Beenie Man studio. Them end up signing me. I do a meeting with them and you see it? Yeah, we get to an agreement and I start do some work with them, but I one song I record around there. One song named Yes Man. That was my first community hit song.
Yeah, okay.
Like busting in my community. Every baby, everybody know it. Them boy they are West Man. You see me?
Yeah.
And that song they are Foota Hype it built for too.
Yeah.
When him sign me, I do that song there, I do for cause them a waste man, you see, pray. I not go around here, I not hold back cause some man style me thing, so I style back them thing, you see it. So I show you say I first song that I do and we are promote it. We there everywhere promote it. But them time there, I tell you, say, me a real ghetto youth, you know, my father. Like, we go through real struggles, you know. And, like, me just make up my mind and say, yo, at this moment, all when me nah no image in the road. Because me I show you, say, when me na Unruly Clash Wednesday, I one clocks my buy. You see, pray?
Yeah.
And me I beat the clocks that for all 5 years straight before it change. Believe me, look for me, 5 years straight before it change. Because Foota Hype signed me and I see him clocks me a rock, you see me? Just believe me, my father. And the clocks there is a history clocks. Whole heap of artists name dep on it. Like them dopey dep on it. Like big artists were in a game where you know about and was the crowd favorite. Dopey dep on my clocks. You want me call name?
Go ahead.
I not call no name, loud that's so. So you see my father? Alright, you see? Me I show you what going now. Me I tell you what the clocks that change. Like me dey in a video light every night and me I tell you say me in a video light every night. Like as the song start play to it a buzz, I be a camera circulate me. Cause in a dancehall with it. Boom boom them and the whole of them a play the tune them. Foota Hype a run with the tune them, I see it. So me stay son. Me link the whole of them say them a manage me. Cause Foota Hype I want a part-time management, but him wasn't the one who really managed me to that them time. Them bring me to Beenie Man them. And you have a brother named Mario C. And Blue. You see it? So at them I go to and make them know say yo, Blue I go to. You see it? And I say yo, chat to Mario C. Cause Mario C I want a response to take care of artist certain way, you see me? Link him and make him know say thing I boil up in a road certain way, like video light and them thing that they on me certain way, you see it. I'm gonna need some gears to touch up the image certain way, you see it. I say, I mean, man, we have fix things, man. And carry 10 grand come give me. 10 grand that I like for one shows. You see, pray? Yeah, that I like for one shows. But show me I get a youth and me have style. I just go downtown with the 10 grand. I'm stay so. Sometimes they have some cheap shows named Musty Vans or so. Them look chang cheap cloth shows there. Yeah. They buy one of them about 2.5 I buy it for. You see it? I'm buy one pants. I'm buy 2 shirts. Yes, 3 shirts I buy and 1 pants. The 1 pants I wear with the 3 shirts them. See right? So I stay son. Just up one day and I think them like, you know, and pull up around nice studio. The man them a map me, you know. Yo, the dog look rich. Yo. The man them a map me, you know, father. You see it? Every day, them never realize say I see him black pants dog, you know. You see it, pray? I will hold it out and know say, yo, greatness ahead, you see it, pray? Until me there and nothing and go on, no more song, no voice. Me just fling, fall up one side like one piece of old cloth and fling down in one corner. And my mother up a piece of suffer them time there. And I want it. I build for this. I determined father. I tell her say you at this. I want miles, you know. I go through the process and I go through if you can come become the next king of dancehall, you know. I go through that process there, you know. Like, I get lock out a many studio. I get whole heap of style, whole heap of bench. I walk miles go studio without food, without water, and song I sing. See, pray? Yeah, I go through whole heap of clash, whole heap of thing. You see, pray? So, that is a process where you have to go through in 100%. A dancehall. All like great man them go through that process there. I go through it too, you see me? So build for this. You see, pray.
100%.
100%, my father.
You know what I mean? You have to know what you're doing in this business. So then there, you and Foota Hype's linking. So where did everything break down when you have Foota now?
Yeah, because I still not finished this yet, still as it. As I say now, the cup full. I'm just go down a studio and just make the engineer and the producer will respond to me. Know the 100. That's it. Yeah. till all the dark vex and put them in a them place. Cause you know say Beenie Man, I'm a G in a music. One of the greatest performer. I learned that from him. I can't tell you that. Performance. Learn that
Beenie
from the
Man.
king. You see, pray.
100%.
Yeah, big up the king anyway, them man. Them man they look out for me. I can't tell her that. I just, them were I still they never that really do the right thing for me, cause the king not really too dead for know what go on, you see me? But me just go down there and just say, yo, fuck this thing here and start do my thing. Me and Foota Hype start take on the road certain way. But me not get no record, like nobody now voice me. Me just dead there. You see it? Like when all Foota Hype, artists trouble Foota Hype now, I just that me dead there for. You see it? So it's like my talent is just a waste. You see me? Yeah, so me I show you a pray now. Foota Hype now, how me and him stop connect. We got Mobile. You see it? Mobile, street dance. Something street dance.
Okay.
Yeah, Foota Hype, the book feed. So me and my blood brother, them go and feed blood brother. 2 separate car. You see it? So, Foota Hype brother and my big brother catch up. Big argument. You see it? Foota Hype vex I go tell me if I talk to them. And cut left way. Remember say a film brother, you know, and my brother. Now him fi talk to film brother and me talk to my brother. Me talk to my brother and the dog easy and a bill. Film brother, cause him brother have some little girl style about him like girly. The whole of cassava piece can tell him gally, like him chasey. My last one say him worse than Foota Hype. Worse than Foota Hype, you see me? Yeah, so I him mash up everything. He met me and Foota Hype a link and I him mash up everything, you see it? But me glad for that, you know. Cause a long time I want to around them in the car. Me I like Foota Hype protection and him there Jamaica. Him can't go nowhere without me.
But
You know why I said that?
That's exactly what I was going to ask you. Yeah.
Like, I be a girl I'm roll with. All of my friend them I be a madhead. Be a madman my power with. When a business, anything me say. You see me? Anything me say dog them say. You see pray. So, Foota Hype like them energy like for going down the road. Nobody can style him. You see it? Yeah, believe it, man. I want bad gang, man. Government for uptown to, you see it?
The trick with it is even I seen something, I think it was today, where even, again, the two brothers, like you said, your brother and his brother are caught up in the same vibe because of this whole clash thing right now too.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's something where I guess the bad blood from back then till now it just came back to the surface.
Yeah, that are going right now, you see it? So, them over on that side, they are trying to drain my energy and try to like, bantan my blessing. But when a ban blessing, then can't stop it. You see it? So that me pick up. Because I do a live one day, I say, yo, big up Foota Hype more than never this, the G, you see it? Till me go say, yo, him do a live a fight, me thing. You see it? Me know you have to see that live there. The whole of foreign vex, the whole of Jamaica vex. Because Foota Hype, I want to man them talk the realest thing. You see it? When I check your facts, Foota Hype, I want to man them we talk the realest thing on the media. So people them have him as comic now when time them say, yo, him now want to talk about fully bad and Demarco clash. And them know say, yo, and me hot up dancehall, me and Demarco.
But
and we make the place so nice right now. And you know I mention my name. People I say I be a fuck for your chat then.
That's what it was a thing there where he was talking about the clash, but for some reason he just wasn't saying your name.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And again, as you said, from Foota Hype, that says everything.
Me and the man have nothing, you know. Remember I must stop my food, you know. As summer gone, me make him get booked for a party in New York, you know. Like, I had the cat up on the car with the mom and she book him, you know. Like, last year, me make she book authorized. Him authorized can tell her. Me make him get the bookings last year. And this year, me I say, yo, book Foota Hype, man. Make Foota Hype come load up your thing, mama. You see it? And she book him. No food that going in pocket.
Of course.
So him a box food out of my mouth. Yo, I don't even know, father, when me hear all them name more while, me just get dark. You see it?
But okay, the incident happened at Sumfest,
Yeah.
all right? But you said, okay, that happened there, but you sent him the booking later. So even though there was an issue, you guys were kind of still linking?
After the Sumfest thing?
Yeah.
Like me and him, the connect not too dead, but him can call me. If no business or nothing, him can call. You see, pray. But him not support me enough for my way.
So where did the entire breakdown happen now, where it's like, you're over here, I'm over there?
After the brother and brother situation, you see, pray. After that, like, everything mash up. Him sister me not to link him again. So him link me one day, I tell me, say, fully. Yeah, I'm going to make the media know so I'm not to manage a thing again. You know, and I not too like the direction where you go. A bleach out thing there and tattoo them. I not into that. So just go and do your thing and I go and do my thing. So that's how him say. When Foota Hype know me, I bleach and I go to school. You see, pray? I have a thing named eczema. When I bleach, like, you make it not trouble me, you see it. Like bad eczema. When I bleach it, not trouble me. Right now, I'm black, you know. Because when the war start, I just get dark, you know, father. Not even cream, you know what I say, you know. Yeah, man, I bleach, but I cut up, man, till I catch color. Yeah, man. No joke, man.
Yeah. So, okay, that was the Foota Hype saga, because I know that was an interesting saga, because I know you guys were linking, not really linking, but a lot of us weren't really sure how or where that happened. So then now even back to the clash with you and Demarco.
Yeah.
Sting. Are you officially booked for Sting right now?
Yeah, man, officially.
Okay. So you're officially booked for Sting, ready to go.
Yeah.
Demarco was sitting in that same chair where you were yesterday, all right? And we're talking about this $6 million right here for
That's
Sting.
how chair feels so. Like it going to down.
I say, yo, now I understand why you're quick on your feet right there. All right? He wants 6, so then it's like half the war is basically booked for Sting, which is you're confirmed. So then if, let's say worst case scenario,
Yeah.
Demarco doesn't get booked for Sting, what happens there now? And say Kyodi is booked for Sting, what happens there now?
Them not get book. Demarco not get book. I'm a demand 6 mil. Yeah. Kyodi, if him get book, and war. Me no back for nobody. Me going hot. Right now, me I get heated, father.
Yeah. So you say anybody that comes up on the stage, you're ready.
Anybody at all. Them have to have name, because they can't style me thing. You know? Yeah. Cool, you know?
But it's really Demarco. Yeah. Because I remember you're the one that said put up a fence. All right, don't make them escape.
Cage up the stage. Because some man know the lyrics, you know. I be around the song, them around go for lyrics. You see it? Me load, you know. Me have a clip. What long for years ago, way back where we are forward from. Full of lyrics. Ram pack. You see it? I say it a fire. You see it?
Yo.
Yeah, what?
Listen, again, as I just said to you, Demarco was in that chair yesterday. This is a question I asked him, and I'm going to ask you the same thing. If Demarco was outside that door right now and came inside, what would you say to Demarco right now?
Me and him are not enemy. And I feel like Demarco respect me. And me respect him. You see it? Right now, I'm a god in the music. I can't tell her that, father. Demarco, I'm a god in the music. For what him do. Because enough man who don't do what him do. That's why I say that. You see, pray. And what him do for my career is a great look to see him way. You see it? So, I be a respect, I go show Demarco. Anytime we connect up, be a respect. You see it? Because right now, me do a great thing for him to like. In a dancehall, you have to clash. You see, pray?
It's part of the culture.
Yeah, you have to, it's a part of the culture. Because, yeah, as I say, to become the next king of dancehall, you have to go through a process. You see, bro? Yes, so Demarco did need that for him career. For people to say, yo, I'm really talented. You see me? Yeah.
Right there. It's an interesting clash. 'Cause right now, as I even told him, when you look at the comments, you listen to songs, go on and good, but nobody has landed that knockout punch yet.
Yeah.
Where everybody's saying, okay, it's over, it's dead. You have people that's giving your ratings, and you have people giving him his.
True.
But none of the two of you guys have landed that knockout. Yeah, there was some jabs and some uppercuts and some rib shots.
You might go hard. And me I go hard.
You know what I mean?
So, that make it, the war is so interesting. You see it, because him a go hard and me I go hard. And him a giant and me a young youth we are forward out. You see, pray. That shock dancehall certain way, because crazy lyrics are fire. Man show you say, yo, him brain active to you see it. And we show them so we fully bad over here, so.
For sure.
So that's why I play so nice. You see it.
And where you really love, come, okay, say what you're saying, I'll tell you.
You see, a clash I go on nice. You know, so nice like when me and him did a war. Like, you see me? Because some man jump in a war and water down the war because them take like all 5 days for answer. You can't clash and take 5 days for answer. It's like a big joke thing that at this dancehall. Go right song, boy. You see it? Lazy. As I tell you when me and clash, me no rest my father. Like sleep, I chill me. And me just go wash my face. Me can't sleep now, at my time now, at this time moment. Kill where I kill sleep, you see me? Yeah man, my father man, me live in a studio man. All the engineer have to move come on me yard one night time, core. I string up everything.
Yeah.
We don't sleep, hours. Work. My voice all that time, I say, me not feel that, change that. Till the song complete and we say video.
Yeah.
Drop it them time there.
That's what
Place
really
a bun down.
has you up are the visuals. I think that all the lyrics are popping right now. But you see the fact that you're dropping visuals for every song, boss?
Yeah. Exactly.
That's what really has people paying attention right now.
Yeah, because I love the visual thing, you know. Because when me usually flex with the same manager, brother there, you see it. When me usually roll with them, never get a visual yet. Never get a visual yet from Foota Hype them. I do my thing. Like, I just did it. Just anything I say I go out, I do my thing. And when I start get some nice visual, when I start into slow motion, him is the man where like change my career a certain way and turn me in a professional artist, so people have to start to respect the brand and know say, yo, the brand fully bad, don't play with it. You see it? Yeah, me start release song like Born for Do It, My Daughter, Airplane Mode, and the list continue. And when I check the statistic, them song, there are some solid songs where people know. Like my fans them know, like me can go show and I sing them, and fans can sing on to them. Plus, in a next song named Glow, I want a big song them. And I have a next song named Cushion Paper that I pull down crazy streams for Spotify. Almost 1 million streams that song alone have.
Okay.
Me I pull down stream, you know. That's how I know say enough of them look at youth I can't size up with me because I go look on Spotify. I say YouTube alone they at pan and I buy bare views. Spotify I think my father. Because me not just big as Jamaica, worldwide me think that.
But that's the thing with the internet. Nowadays, you could, once you drop something somewhere, people in El Salvador, Colombia, India, China.
I can't even pronounce the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I go in at Spotify and say, wow, don't there's some song them I play. Yeah.
But you see, now that you got the attention, the spotlight, the team, the record label, the visual artists and everything, what's the move for 2024? Because to me, let's say the war goes until December 26th. You get a couple days to cool off, the year is done.
Yeah.
What's the plan for 2024 for Fully Bad?
Well, the kind of plan we always try to implement is that, you know, the plan what me always use to surprise the fans them. Like me always have forward with some kind of surprise like bluff. Fans them I say, no, we're fully bad forward from with this, this stuff. You see it, like for surprise the fans them, I do some mistake. You see it, just great music, great visual, same way. Cause we been put in the work. Just the attention we did need now, we are get it. So I just great music and great visual, you know.
One thing I'll tell you this, because I know when I spoke to you, the first time I spoke to you, you told me reality songs are your favorite songs to put out.
Reason why, me a real get the youth and me a forward from nothing. You see it, when me a forward from to when me there now, me a forgive thanks. You see it, and them kind of music that me like to listen. For all like a real meds, like a positive meds, a reality music. More while me a listen back some of my reality music like a Tears of Joy, Be a Water just start run. I know say a Tears of Joy. And me a drop one of them songs they like Saturday. You see it. I don't know when the interview you got released, but tomorrow me a drop that song there. Reality meds like Fight. Once you're great, them gon' fight you. Not even Tyson no fight so. Me future shame any light bulb. One hope don't tell them a time now. Who crab in a barrel a try carry down. Them dead when the big whip drive down. Gun in a lap and 4 window you know?
Yeah. Because I think that right now, that you're given like a song like that, I think you have the idea that like, okay, cool. Clashing is cool, you know.
Yeah.
Clashing is for the attention. But what I do with the attention after I get it, that's what's going to really count.
Yeah,
because what I would tell you is this. Don't be afraid to experiment with your music. And if you have an idea of, I've had this idea for a long time, I want to try it for a song, whether it sounds totally different, try it right now. Because the people are really paying attention right now. You know what I mean? The people are really loving your energy right now.
No
and you
joke.
see, when I asked you the question, if Demarco walked through that door, what you would say, basically what you said to me is the same thing he said to me too, you know. So you could see that even though you guys didn't really connect yet, the respect is mutual.
True.
You understand?
No,
and we know that, okay, when it's war, we're going to say anything in war, because it's war. But outside of that, as artists and as human beings, you guys respect each other.
Yeah, man.
And that's what we're really missing in a war format in dancehall.
Too much ego in a dancehall like that now. That's why we said this can bring back. And we did it. So I just the artists them for just learn from we now and just the right thing and know say yo bag of feelings and get up in a feelings and them bag of ego thing then I go to work. That like I bring down a culture. Cause look how Ninja Man and Bounty Killer them and Merciless them usually do it. Beenie Man them. You see me? Them link. Even Mother and Cartel link back. Same way. You see pay. I just music. Just know say yo on nothing personal when an artist call up your name in a song. Cause every artist name of me call me on like me hate them or nothing. Gage a bad artist, me no hate the dog. Me know say dog a one of bad artist them too. You see pray? Him a one of bad artist them. I just want to see man them a put in some hurt dog. You see it? Cause I remember when our fans out there were loving and want to see now hurt dog. So just drop some song, bro. G.
For sure, because
could I even one song a month go no fans them something.
Do something. Because I remember it was
so
here.
So I see some man on TikTok and them thing there as big artists. Go with them for going on my father. You know why I say that? TikTok make for like people like when I have it certain way, can go do them look at hustling. Some man have them talent already. I like them job that brother. I just you for put in the work and you get to you have to get out of it. You see it? Low TikTok for who we need it, bro. You see it? But anyway, we not fight no man food. A man do what he want. You see it? Big up everybody, man. You hear that code?
This is why I like having these kind of conversations, is because it really gets to see what's inside of your mind.
Yeah.
From you came here, remember, I know at one time you and Masicka, you were shooting after Masicka, and then you guys linked up here and everything was good. Yeah. As you said with Gage, you were shooting after Gage, but now that you explain it, it makes sense. It's like, yo, Gage, you're a bad artist.
Yeah, man, a bad artist, man.
You know what I
So,
mean?
mm-hmm.
So it's just a respect. You keep showing them respect. But once we're on the battlefield,
Yeah.
anything.
Anything. I say you pray.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can pick up couple can. You know?
Yo.
That is it. Masicka, you don't know, big up the genocide, man. You see it. As I tell you, see that youth there? A real youth. I'm feeling energy, you see it? Real youth. You hear that? I know a real youth. You hear that? You don't even have to told chat it, big up the dog. When I great them in a dancehall right now, too. We are do it for dancehall. Alkaline, too. You see it? Big up Alkaline, too. Them youth that do it for dancehall, you hear that? Now I have to put respect on them name, though.
100%.
Mm-hmm.
You're in Toronto right now. All right? Big show coming up. Cheers. All right? 1111 Barmac Drive.
Yeah.
All right? Featuring you, Fully Bad. Plankidan, that's in the building. Big up yourself, same way. Planky.
Plankidan.
You know what I mean? Jade.
it.
K Music. Whole heap of artists. All right? Tomorrow night. Saturday night.
Yeah,
All right?
outside, you know.
What could Toronto expect from Fully Bad on the stage tomorrow night?
Nothing but a fully bad performance as usual.
Yeah.
You see, very. Yeah, we just want to vibe with the people, because you don't know. This is one of my favorite time to like interact with my fans, them. You know? You don't know, I'm a Plankidan event, so you don't know, I've got to dark it up certain way. And the place hot right now, so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Spencer are flying a crowd and them something there.
Yeah.
Barmac Drive, man. 1111 Barmac Drive. The fans them pull a foot. Make sure you get on a ticket them. You see it. Bad God live in town. And it's no prank. Big up Planky Dan. Big up Hummingbird, the whole Box Nation. Yo, patient. Whole IG them. You know, outside.
You understand? Big up. And you know who's in the place too? Hot Frass.
Yeah, man,
All
the
right.
DJ, man.
Did you link with him from you came up yet?
Oh, on the phone alone,
Yeah.
you see it. Yeah, but tomorrow we are connect, man.
No, for sure.
Planky Dan show.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know I could.
100%.
Yeah, man.
Before I get you out of here, look in the camera and tell Demarco why he needs to be at Sting.
Because we bring back dancehall. Demarco, if you know that, we bring back dancehall right now. On a level where it's supposed to be. You see it? And even supposed to be. We can take it further. You see, pray. But only way we can take it further if we flick your bat over Sting. You see it? So you have to show out. You hear that? But we don't see what go on already. We say, yeah, the man want 6 mil for war, the bad God. And a joke thing still. I can't tell how much for text still are, you know? But we don't know why him do that. I saw for foot. You know? Yeah, we don't have to chat it. You know see that too? Yeah, anybody can see it. 6 mil for wire fully bad as thing. I run. We don't need glasses to that, you see it. But I'm a G. Big up Demarco. You hear that?
Where can they check you out on social media, check out your videos and all that stuff? Big up anybody right now. The floor is yours 100% before I get you out of here.
Big up Dan. I hear that. Big up Dan anywhere I'm there and big up Ray. Big up the whole I dog them, you see it. As I say, big up Planky Dan at tomorrow IG show. When you just forward out, come celebrate today and all a vibe, all a joy. Bad God in town, you see it. Big up Gallus, big up Speaker them, you hear that? Big up the whole bad gang, Bossed them, Sicker them, Money Power them. You hear that? The whole I dog them, Max them, you hear that? THC and Joshy them. Dog them a holy ground for me, you hear that? Yeah man, them youth that there with me right show still, you hear that, father? Like them youth that there around me and hold it. Yeah, you see Jag?
Yeah.
I big up the dog them pan the ground and big up El Savan them. All of my dog them. Sashi Cool pan the plum lane too, you see it? All a Casha Park, all a Cassava Piece, all Glen Drive, Sash Kai them, you see it? When I have to chat it, man, I want uptown, man, no boy, man. And big up the darker side, too, yo, Ginger. You hear that? Big up the whole I dog, them, the whole Galchester, the whole Uptown, Common Sense, the Gualas, them. Have a bad caliber forward with 10 tick and finger.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Like, upliftment vibe. You see it? Look out for that collab that to see me. You see it, pretty mad sick, man.
Yeah.
I know, you know.
100% right now.
Right
Not now, you
now.
know. Right
See it?
now.
And big up Dead Dan Entertainment. Freshman and Money, them, you see it. We got the whole IG, them. One bad gang.
And social media, where can they check you out on social media?
Social media. I fully bad music, you know, everywhere. Fully bad music everywhere. But you type FU, you see me. Yeah, and check out Pain.
Yeah.
You see it, fully bad featuring Planky Dan. You know, that song there one of my favorite music too. Like when I listen to that song there, it just put me in a positive meds, you know. Cause the pain is real.
Yeah.
Like, especially now, the pain real, cause the fight real. You see, pray.
The fact that you know how to express yourself, boss, and sit down and hold a level head conversation
Yeah.
is more than amazing, boss.
Respect
You understand?
for that,
Because a lot of people can't really express what they really have in their mind.
True.
And be truthful about it, whether they're expressing it this way or that way, where
Yeah.
they're expressing their truth.
True that.
You understand?
Yeah.
Wally,
Fully. Respect every time, you know, father.
boss,
Oh, God,
listen.
man. Third
You're the,
time, yeah.
the only
Listen, you know,
artist.
man. Yeah,
I've had
man.
comedians, soul man, DJs.
Yeah.
They've been here a few times, yes.
True.
But as an artist,
Yeah.
the only one, boss.
Fully.
The only one.
A history. Yes, man.
And worse said it's the night after your ops was here too. So this right here, Canada
Exclusive.
grown,
Oh, God, father.
hot,
Right now. Fully.
hot.
Fully. That is it, my dear. That is it. You're not
See?
fully grateful, never ungrateful.
You understand? Blanky,
My general.
first
Yeah,
time
man.
in the studio,
Cheers, cheers.
we're so ready for the red share. You understand?
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Bossy.
When I wicked this thing on the ground right now, where I do it, planky,
Yeah.
dog, I walk. Like, he never stop work. I that me rate with him. Believe in him, as it. And next one, the impatient, bad artist. Too.
Yeah.
Check him out there, isn't it? Yeah,
Proper.
man, I one team, one G.
One link.
Any moment. man.
Yeah. It's a one link. You understand?
That is it, man.
Bob, let me give you an outro and get you out here from this very transparent and enlightening conversation. You understand? Bob, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up, and we are out.
Fully.
Bob. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinemusichut.com.